He did some research. Our Kodiak is filthy.
So I can tell that
So he found
the hose
him
here is kind of
a pull
hanging down a little
through
bit. I think she's talking to.
place to wash it off.
Will you pull that hose over?
He's pointing. What you saying to me?
I was saying, will you pull that hose over? It'll hit up there probably.
Yes.
There we go. How's it look?
You're looking good.
All right, we're gonna do the truck first.
The height is gonna be fine.
Should be, it said good, it said RV friendly.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so this one's got the card reader. I haven't been in one of these in a while, but this one, you use your card and it just says hit the stop button when you're done and it'll stop charging you.
That's nice.
Yeah, this will work out.
I'm going to take a trip around the camper.
Okay.
Just so I can see how dirty it is. I don't know if you can fully grasp. Oof. Dirty, dirty girl. She's cute, but filthy. He has been so upset about how dirty this is. So he researched one to find one that would fit.
The truck and trailer got pretty dirty down there in Arkansas going down to the Riverside. We're pretty dusty and dirty, so we're gonna get it clean, make it look nice and pretty again for the rest of the road, but we'll probably have to do it again.
Yes, we will.
We are gonna clean the monkey too, by the way. Just a high pressure soap to start with. Got a little bit of bug guts on it.
Not bad though, really.
Not too bad.
That actually feels really good.
It is hot.
It is hot.
It is hot.
That has hit me in the face. You enjoying the jazz?
Yeah. It's about like that classical.
Do you feel better already?
I do feel better.
Yeah.
This isn't going to be something that we get to do all the time, but we were in a big enough city that I knew there would be a nice car wash, so I wanted to go ahead and get it clean.
Yes.
It was really dusty
Yes, it was.
from going down to Riverside, and it got all over the camper too, so I just wanted to try to give it a good cleaning while we had the opportunity.
Okay, so the monkey got a bath too.
Yep.
Looking good.
Everybody that's concerned about the bugs on the monkey, they will wash off just like they will on a vehicle. I'm not that concerned about it.
No.
I bought it to enjoy and have fun, not keep it looking like a trailer queen.
That is spraying me in the face.
It just barely clears the AC up there.
Yep.
We got to be really careful up there.
People are looking at us like we are completely insane, but we're used to that.
All right.
Much better.
Looking good.
Yeah.
All right, will you go put it on sprayer for me?
I sure will.
All right.
Really working hard here. So he decided to go ahead and back out and then back in. Hopefully that will work. Since our air conditioner was really close. Or he's leaving me. There he comes.
All right, everything is good and clean again.
Much better.
I could have done this a little bit better right there, but that's good enough. Much better. Got everything nice and clean, all the dust off of it, the dust off the wheels and tires. All right. Oh, we gotta put the ladder back on. I had to reach up there and pull the hose over the vent up the top. Sounds like home.
I know,
Sounds
something's
like we're
happened
home.
over there. There's a lot of vehicles going.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, something's going on the interstate over there.